This is the other KFX 450R I have. Same year, '09. Monster edition, except this one had all the decals taken off of it and just left with the KFX 450R and Monster sign on it. This one has a FMF exhaust, full exhaust, and this one also just still has the stock intake with the K&N air filter. This one actually doesn't have the ECU on it, or the Procom ECU like the other one does, and so see there's the K&N air filter with stock intake. There's this one has a DynoJet power commander, and so let's see how it sounds.